Something that's been on my mind recently is aero. When I bought this Evo, initially I thought that aero was the good move, was the bold move. It was gonna look sick. But recently I've seen a lot of really clean Evos with no lip, no diffuser. I've also seen some really sick Evos with a diffuser, with a big splitter up front, and with side aero. So I'm gonna do something today. I've got a bunch of stuff from Invictus Aero. You guys have seen the diffuser that I've had in the back for a couple months now. I'm tired of it being by itself, so I'm gonna accompany it with the rest of the aero today. I've got side aero to kind of complement what's already existent in the rear, which is this, which I also modified a little bit. Then I've also got a front splitter. Now I'm not going to commit to the canards today because I don't exactly know if that's the bold move, that's the right move for me, so I'm going to do the under aero without drilling into any of the visible pieces of the body. I'm going to install the aero, and if I don't like it, I'm going to give it away. I'm going to do a giveaway for all the Invictus stuff that I have for somebody out there that might want it. I want to just experiment today, have some fun. I'm just trying to figure out the aero. I gotta let you guys know, it looks terrible on camera. I've actually had somebody tell me that it looks really good in person, but on camera it makes it look terrible. So you guys might have a little bit of a bias, but we're gonna see. Are we going clean with no aero in the back and all around, or are we gonna go aero all around? That's what we're gonna do today.
Don't whack the car.
Yeah. There we go, boys, we're done. So I'll end up bolting this up. I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I want to take the bumper off or if I want to just lift the car up, because I'm gonna have to lift the car up to do the side skirts anyways. I'm just gonna lay everything out and we'll see how it goes. We've got it lined up, and so we've got wings on the side. Like I said, I have these to match the sort of wildness of the rear diffuser. So it might work. We're gonna see. So it bolts into OEM holes, which is really, really, really nice. So all I gotta do is literally just line stuff up and start screwing some stuff in. Well, these are big boy sized. Does he even go through? No, they definitely don't go through. These are humongous. Hello? Maybe I need to get a, oh, I bet you this is 3/8. I'll just drill them a little bigger. Hope you guys like the wide angle, by the way. This is kind of like, this is like super OG. I haven't used this Canon yet, but this is my old lens I used to use. That I just dig the wide angle look. I don't know why. It makes it less shaky. I think it looks better. That was random. But go ahead and take my step bit and drill these holes just a little bit bigger because these can't quite make it through it. So literally, probably that's probably all I needed to do. Yep. Listen to me now. Lit. As you can see, there's little holes right here and there that don't line up to where they should go into the bumper. So I might have to just re-drill holes where I need them. For now I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2 more in just right there, and then maybe put the bumper supports in just as temporary measure, just to see if I actually really want them. Because again, today we're just testing it out. Boom, baby. Nice. Why do I always choose white shirts?
I was just
Lay
thinking
down. Days where I lay down on the ground, I always wear white shirts. Dumb Evan. Dumber than a sack of biscuits. So I don't have it all the way in right now. So it's gonna dangle. I don't have the bumper supports, which I have carbon fiber ones if I decide I want to go, but this is not fully bolted in yet, so don't worry. And guys, I wanna say this, I am well aware that this is not a functional aero kit. This is purely aesthetic. I'm well aware of that. Yeah, I definitely need to have some stuff bolted in. Do you know where the little supports are? The little support dudes?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The little carbon fiber pieces? Let's go look for them. Here we go. So these are going to be drilled through right here, and they're going to go up to right here-ish, so I'll have to actually end up modifying this a little bit. They'll end up looking like that. Yeah, there we go. So they'll end up looking a bit like that if I ended up keeping them. What?
It looks like braces.
Like braces? Oh my god. Nah, I don't know if I can do it. So we're about to mess with the side skirts and install those. But man, I just have to say, I've just been sitting here thinking. First off, I want to say I'm so thankful for Invictus Aero for sending me this stuff. I love the Aero itself. But guys, I'm not so sure I'm sold on just having it on the Evo. The Evo looks so cool by itself. Let me know what you think, but ultimately I'm gonna make a decision. Also, new headlights coming in.
Back is terrible.
Yeah, baby. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I actually really like the sides. Hell, if there's anything I might keep, it might be the sides. Here you go, ladies. Okay. It actually, so the more I look at it, it always looks different on camera. The more I look at it, the more I actually kind of like it. I don't really know. Opinions.
I'm like 50-50.
So I just have so much untamed natural love for this, the way this car just looks OEM, or especially the bumpers, the way the bumpers are configured. I really, really dig the way that this like falls into place. I actually really, really dig the side skirt extensions. I think those are sick, but I don't think you can pull those off without doing the proper front splitter. But the nice thing is, now that we have the side skirt extensions, the rear aero looks a lot better. It just looks a lot more natural. It doesn't stick out like crazy. So you got this aero to match that aero on the side, and it goes really well. I figured this would be an easy choice because I kind of came into this video today going, you know, I really, really want just stock. I really want it to look stock, and now it's really growing on me.
A few moments later.
Okay, I've decided what I want to do. I hate decisions like this. The big thing is I am torn about this. It has nothing to do with what I think you guys want or what you don't want. Ugh, it doesn't matter because I guess any decision I make right now can always be reversed. I even asked Twitter and Instagram and it's still not, it's not helping me at all because you guys are actually saying exactly the opposite of what I thought you'd say. So anyways, I'm gonna make my own decision here. I'm a grown boy. I'm gonna make my own choices. I'm gonna get to work and I'll show you guys what I conjure up.
6 hours later.
I kid you not. I sat down and looked at my car, stared at my car for an hour. I was so indecisive of what I wanted to do. I even contacted Invictus. I was like, listen, dude, thank you so much for hitting me up with this stuff, but I think I'm gonna do a giveaway because I wanna go back to clean look. And then I changed my mind, and I changed my mind again. He was probably like, okay, Evan, make up your damn mind. Anyways, without wasting any time, I am going to, I'm gonna show you guys what I decided to do. I'm gonna either be loved or hated. We're both for this, but no matter what, just know I love you for watching the video. That sounds dumb as hell. Ah, the pressure. I love it though. I actually dig it so hard. Here we go. Boom! Yeah, baby. I decided to go ahead and do the aero. It looks really weird wide angle actually. I'm gonna not do wide angle. I should have gotten my other camera to get kind of a deeper effect on this, but I'm telling you guys, it looks so much better in person than it does on camera. I'm dead serious. I'm actually getting kind of mad, like looking at the car, looking at the camera, because it just doesn't look good on camera. I dig the side arrows so hard, man. I love it. It complements everything so well. I'm just super into it. Man, this camera's already overheating, dude. It's evening time, it's overheating. So one thing that really made me just decide to do it was, it's not a commitment. If I don't like it, or if I want to change my mind, or if like whenever I get my wheels, I can obviously change that as well. So it's just all fun and games. I love it, I love it, I love it. I can't wait to see it with the wheels on. I sat there, when I was sitting there contemplating, I literally looked at pictures of the car, a bunch of pictures of the Evos without aero, and then with aero, without aero, with aero, without aero, with aero. I love the Evos stock, clean front end and stuff like that, but like with the splitter, it just, even though this is not functional, it's a time attack style thing, it gives the front end a whole new dimension, and it looks great. I could explain this to you guys all day long for a bunch of different reasons, but the side aero matches the body kit. It literally matches even with that. And so just for a ton of reasons, I just dig it. I just wanted to have it. And I also took out the stupid ugly ass looking mesh that used to be down here, so now you can see the front intercooler better, which is always a great thing. So now she looks mean. It looks so bad on camera. If you guys come to see me at a meet, I promise you'd be like, you know what, Evan, I wanna say I'm sorry, because I love you and I think it looks great. Almost everyone on Twitter and Instagram said to keep the aero, and that didn't really entice me, but it made me think like, you know, maybe it is a good decision, and obviously it affected my train of thought. If other people loved it, I was like, I think I can love it as well. So I'm giving it a shot. I think it looks great, but is it 100% here to stay? We'll have to see. Are you digging it? You didn't dig it earlier. You voted no on Instagram.
I did vote no.
I looked at that. I looked at that. I usually don't look at who voted no, but you voted no.
I like it. It looks a whole lot better like once it's actually on.
So let's do the step-on test. Let's see if it stays. It's literally just meant
to look good
for Instagram flexing, okay? I'm psyched. My camera's not though, so I'm gonna go ahead and get back home. I just wanna thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like the new wide angle. I hope you guys don't hate me too much for this. Don't love me too much for this. Just right in between is perfect for me. I love you all. Peace out and be victorious.